Whether you have anger, resentment, jealousy or hatred, it essentially only works against you because in the nature of this existence, you cannot drink poison and expect somebody else to die. It doesn't work like that. You drink poison, you die. Well, one needs to… people are going about arguing that these are natural emotions. Why is joy not natural? Why peacefulness, joyfulness, blissfulness are not natural for you? Why only these things which poison you are natural for you? Today is Guru Purnima. At least on this day, take this step that whatever emotions you have, whatever thoughts you have, they work for you. Here we are in Tennessee. After more than 90 days, here I am, both motorcycling and golfing. Can't complain. Bit hot, but good. Not much virus in the rural areas here. As we are in a remote place, it's quite safe out here. But still, III is completely locked down, full quarantine for everybody who comes in. All the necessary protocols are being done. But it's nice to see, yesterday being 4th of July, many American families are out celebrating. I hope they do it responsibly, maintaining social distancing, because America has paid a very huge price. And India, the numbers are surging ahead. This is the time we need to behave very consciously and see we contain the damage that this pandemic can cause to us.